shout out to the Chicago Sky for finally being able to beat a over 500 team, one of the best teams in the league, in Minnesota Lynx. The first half, Angel and Ariel was cooking like fish grease. Both had over 15 points in the first half. Also, I thought Kamilla came out with a lot of energy today. In the first half, she was good as well. She also finished the game with a double-double. She had a huge block at the end of the game. But like I said, in the first half, Ariel couldn't miss a shot. She was 8 for 10 from the field. Angel couldn't miss either. She was making mid-range jump shots. Glad to see her take the mid-range jump shot because opponents been, giving it to her. I'm also happy with her taking that 3-point shot. I don't care whether it went in or not because I know she's put in the work. And when you put in the work, you have the right to be able to shoot that shot. And as much work as she put in on her game, that's what we want to see her do. We want to see her take those mid-range jump shots. I want to see her take the 3-ball, and she feel good, letting it fly. But she was also aggressive going to the basket. Same thing with Ariel and same thing with Kamilla. They was punishing, the undersized, especially with their starting lineup. Size-wise, they're undersized as far as going up against Kamilla and Angel with, Angel being 6'3" and Kamilla being 6'7", and, Nafisa being 6'1", and Elena Smith like 6'3", 6'4". So they took advantage of the matchups like they should, and went into the first half with a nice, comfortable lead. And the second half, I wanted to see if they was going to be able to put 2 quarters together to win the game. Well, they came out in the third quarter, really wasn't good. Turned the ball over a lot in the third quarter. Made some key shots to continue to keep the lead. Going into the fourth quarter, and in the fourth quarter, they made some timely. They got some timely stops. Got a block by Kamilla at the end of the game. Rachel Banham had a floater. Angel got a loose ball foul they had to call because you talking about Nafisa literally had to, put both hands on her shoulder to keep her away from the rebound, and we got a loose ball foul. But like I said, man, shout out to the whole Chicago Sky team. Everybody came in and contributed that Tyler Marsh put in, and they was able to get a big victory over the Minnesota Lynx. It was much needed. They gave the fans something to cheer about. Now the fans can understand that the Sky is